Finally?
Yeah. So this is we call lonok.
Ronok.
Yeah, lonok.
I want to make Ronok chocolate.
Yeah. This is like coconut chocolate. Coconut.
Wow.
Yeah. Coconut oil. It's now the coconut oil, and we can eat this lunok.
Lunak.
I don't know the English
Wow.
of that. Or the
Caramelized.
sticky.
Wow.
I think our oil is
I love sugar.
yeah. This is the water that we mix.
Ah, I never seen sticky rice. Wow. Looks so yummy. But I think very, very, very hot, right? Too hot.
Dili lagi parihar oh. See. So that the dili lagi boy kay lakatan jaon.
Oh, oh. Oh, oh.
You know oo?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Is that
Yes.
correct?
Yeah. Oo, yes.
Oh,
Double O. Yes.
oh. Oh, oh.
In Tagalog, opo.
Opo. Bisaya is oo.
Oo. Oo, lagi.
Oo, ragya.
When it's lagi, it's like she's angry or she would like to ask again. When there's lagi. When she just like soft. Oo.
Oo.
Just like it. But you know, there's some like if like man said loudly, oo, just like normal.
Mm.
Depends also how soft the people is. The human.
So, good evening is maranjao.
Maradyaw na duyom.
Maranjao na
Or
diyo.
there's a shortcut of that. There's a shortcut of that BE.
BE?
Yeah, BE. Have to like some are other using coconut. I know hot water to like like disinfecting.
Boil?
Yeah, like disinfecting the leaves. What or sterilizing or how the way it is. It's like to kill some of the leaves. Anything on the leaves and to make it also softer. That's very big. I here. But it's very hot.
I think so.
Yeah. So here we try. We mix it well, no? There's still white. Okay. But bud is another process. Once you're done with it, rolling it, then you steam again.
Oh,
Yeah. So this is where like in the market.
ah,
No, the budbud no. No, the budbud.
Pagkain na. Kuha di doon.
Ang pwede dun, ma.
Hmm?
Para dun sa biko, di ba?
Okay. So you do it like that. What? But we make this very big. Like in onion, no? Very big. Yeah. You try. You try like that.
Too hot.
Yeah, to balance. Okay. So that's it. So maybe that will not.
Taas.
This is very
Taas dito. Sa cellphone mo, ma. Ma.
so you just give this.
Ma.
Because it's very long. We cannot fold it.
Diyan kain na makasin ko dyan. Pag ano nyo, dyan dyan.
Kaya mo ang cellphone. Kadali na ako ang cellphone. Ma. Kadali na ako ang cellphone, ma.
Not this is small, right?
Wow.
Okay.
Try that. Two.
Yung wala, ma.
Yeah, you put here. You put here.
You.
Oh, you eat na. Careful, it's very hot. But some other don't use ginger, don't use calamansi.
Why?
Yes. That's also their style.
Mm.
But for me, from my grandparents, I use it. Yeah.
Ang baday mo?
Hmm?
Ang baday ito?
Lunok.
Ang dyan mo?
Coconut oil. Ay, coconut.
Very thirsty.
Ay!
Cooking.
Ne!
Yun, sa gata.
Dili kun kata.
Make budbud and biko.
Tubu. Bundu.
Budbud.
Ah.
Hot.
Ginger and lemon.
Lemon leaves. Yeah. Smell
Wow.
it. Smell it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you in the
Wow. Different taste.
yeah.
Mm.
It's like the ancestral technique. Old, yeah.
Hot.
So we bring for Kuya and Hito. This, Hito. We just use maybe this. And we put toppings.
Yeah.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know